Now, I desire you to think of what if you can gain as much as $400 per day by merely typing names online. I indicate exactly how cool that is. Okay, below is exactly how it works. Now, when you type one word or one name, for example David, you make money. When you type another name, for example Jennifer, you make money once again. It's such a fantastic possibility, and also right here is exactly how much cash you can make when you type one page of names. You can make $15 for 5 pages, and you can gain $75 for 15 pages as well. When you type 20 pages a day, you can earn $300. The best point that exists is no limit to this. You can type as much as you want and make as much money as you want. You can either do this on your mobile phone or do this on your computer. This opportunity is 100% free and available all over the world. Ensure that you watch up until the end so that you don't miss out on the sign-up process, since it's really complicated and also lots of people do it wrongly. But before we begin, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't overlook to click the notification bell. So whenever we post a new video online, you will certainly be upgraded and you can start making things happen. Additionally, please give this video a large thumbs up. If you have any issues, questions or points of view regarding this video, don't hesitate and leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. You can see below that whenever we utilize the calculator of this website, we can estimate just how much money you can make from this new chance. Look very closely at this rate per word. It indicates how much cash you can get paid per word that you type. In this case, 5 cents in US dollars. Now, usually one page will have around 300 words. As an example, this typing name project right here is actually page number 1, and also right there, this is page number 2 and likewise page number 3. And on each of these pages, you can earn money by simply typing names. Now let me reveal to you this page where you can get paid $15 and the overall word count is 300 words. When I scroll down, you can see right here the overall of 300 names, implying in 300 words you can earn $15 per page by merely typing names on this website. It's a very good earning possibility. Look at this $15 per page and also get approximately 20 pages a day. It indicates you can quickly gain as much as $300 or even $400 per day by merely typing names on this website. Firstly, I desire you to find over to this website, which is talentdesire.com, and make money online from residence without spending a cent. This possibility is definitely free of cost. You don't need any investment or any cash to start. When you scroll down below, you can see they offer different chances to work from the house, including online proofreading jobs, freelance, blogging, language translation, as well as online page surveys. There are various jobs that you can do. However, right on this video, we are going to focus on online typing jobs, since this is one of the easiest things you can do on this website. It requires no experience or technology skills. You can see here the online typing tasks. Now take a look at this. You can earn $13,500 entirely, as much as $27,000 each year. It's an excellent earning opportunity for people from any country in the world. Now for the joining fees, you can see right there that the registration is absolutely free of cost. There are no hidden cards before or after joining, and it doesn't ask about investment to you at any stage. It's totally free of cost and worldwide possibility. Now right over below, you can see depending upon what level you are, you will get paid different amounts of rates ranging from beginners entirely up to specialist. as well as I will reveal to you the technique is simply a moment. Also, the most people would not know about this. If you people are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get back to this video. Right now, I will reveal to you the very first website that can guide you to make a higher rate by just typing names online. I want you to go to ratatype.com. Generally, it is the home page of this website where you can take a free of cost typing test. And I want you to click on this yellow button right here. After that, you are going to come over to this page where you can start typing utilizing a phone or using a computer. I also want you to do this speed typing test because this website will provide you a certificate. Now you are going to get this certificate free as well. I will show you all the steps in this video on how to get it. The reason why you need a typing certificate is since it will certainly improve your income and also your earning rates per page. If you intend to make $15 for each page you type, make sure you get this certificate. It is the ultimate secret because even if you are new, you have the certificate to prove that you can type. You will be approved much quicker and you can get more high paying ties and unlimited job chances. With that being said, that's most likely to allow you to make money $300 or perhaps $400 daily by merely typing names. Once again, you need to keep watching to see exactly how to get this certificate and how to complete your application on talentdesire.com. Now, as you can see, when you start typing on this website, it will begin to computing the number of words you can type per minute and your accuracy, whether you type any spelling mistake or any typing mistake. You can see below that your accuracy needs to be between 98% up to 99.99%. The greater your accuracy, the more money you are most likely to make by doing a typing test and also taking a certificate on this website. You can show your typing speed and additionally your accuracy with this certificate. That's going to give you a greater payment rate quickly. Let me show you a real example of doing this test right now and how to get your certificate for absolutely free in less than 5 minutes. As you can see below, once I finish typing, it's going to reveal my typing speed right here. It is my actual result. If your speed is slower or if your accuracy is less than 98%, don't worry about that since you can return to the website ratatype.com. You can also take the typing test again for 100% cost free till you get a higher speed or a greater accuracy. Now, once you get the result you are satisfied with, you can scroll down below and you can sign up for a free account on Ratatype by clicking on this link right here. You can develop a free account by putting your name, your email address and your password. Go ahead and click on this I agree to the terms and conditions and also click on this yellow sign up button. As soon as you sign up for a free account, you will log into your Ratatype account. Now you can see your name right here on the dashboard as well. These are your results, your typing speed and additionally your accuracy. Now when you scroll down listed below, you can see your certificate. Just click the certificate as well and they will even show you the signature from ratatype.com to confirm that the certificate is real. This certificate right here is very beneficial for you. You can make money at a much greater rate. I desire you to keep watching since I will show you just how to sign up and exactly how to register and apply for the typing work on talentdesire.com. You can start receiving a typing project just like this right here. Now when you scroll down below, you can click on the print button right here. But don't worry, you can do this on your computer or do it on your smartphone. Also, you have to save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Just click the save button and also you can see your actual certificate that you received from the Ratatype website for absolutely cost free. Once you get this certificate, you can start to make an application for this work. So we are going to come over to talentdesire.com and I want you to scroll to the extremely bottom of this website and want you to click on this red button right here which claims apply now. After that, you will come over to this page where you can start looking for your tasks. But please pay very close attention and watch this video till the end, since the registration page below is very hidden on this website. You may get lost or fail to discover the registration page if you don't watch this part. As soon as you arrived at this web page, scroll down below and see here choose an application. Click this red link right here. After that, you are going to come over to this web page where you can see an online application form for work from home jobs. I desire you to scroll down listed below and look for this red web link right here which claims fill in your details to apply and work with us. If you can't find the registration page, ensure that you rewatch the video or bookmark or save this video to your playlist and rewatch it in the future. When you scroll down below this web page, you can see that you are most likely to fill in your personal information. The first thing you have to do is click on accept the privacy policy and place in your first name, your last name, your email address, your contact numbers and your country's name. Then click this down arrow. You can see that they are approving people worldwide, including countries like India, Philippines, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and many other countries. Now I want you to comment down below and let me recognize what your country is and where you are coming from, so I can make even more videos for your region in my future videos. Let's move on to the next step. It's everything about your specialist details. As well as it's a vital section, most people do it wrongly on this step. Now I want you to type in the job title section. It is also vital to type the job title much like this and then choose what time is best for you. Next, click this down arrow right here and you can select whatever time that you want. Yet, I want you to choose all day. That's going to provide you a lot more chances and more jobs, implying that you can make more money online. After that, choose the best way to receive your earnings. Click on this down arrow here and you can select PayPal, Payoneer or Direct Deposit. Now, when you scroll down below, you can choose your current professional status. Once you fill out all the information, you continue to click yes. I have actually read and approved the above statement. Also, don't forget your signature. Just put in your full name right here and also click I'm not a robot. After that, click on the submit button, as simple as that. When you are approved, you can start receiving the typing name jobs just like this. As you can see on one page, you can earn $15 for just 300 words. It is simply one web page and then for the second web page you can see an additional $15 and the third page another $15. You can make $15 over and over again for every single page that you type. However, make sure you submit your job on time to keep getting more and more daily jobs. That's it for now. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button and I will see you in the following videos.